Hello everybody, so here it is, our Volkswagen T2 with a solar panel. It's a homemade video. It's just to help anybody that is thinking of putting a solar panel onto a classic cars, and especially a Volkswagen T2. So mine is a T2 from 1977, Helsinki. It's running with two batteries, so I've got the motor battery, and the second battery for the fridge is this one, just a classic AGM 95 ampere. Nothing more, and we're renting it. So the problem was that the fridge was running out of energy, and the fridge not working quite often after 3 days because it was not doing enough kilometers. So even if you do 100 kilometers per day, that's not enough to recharge, because the second battery recharges when the car is driving, but that was not enough to recharge completely. So therefore we decided to try to put a solar panel. We haven't installed a lithium battery, so it's just the solar panel itself. I will put the name of the solar panel on the brand, but you can see it's a flexible one. So it's a flexible one. The reason is to keep the vehicle under 2 meters. You can see it's really not adding any height. The only place where it's adding height is here, so it's probably 4 or 5 centimeters more. But it's in that little hole here, so we minimize it. And at the worst, this could be taken out anyway. But I will try to like this, see if it goes well under the 2 meters. So actually, also while I'm here, I can show you the cable is running to the battery through here. And you see the cable here again, and one part red is to the first battery, and then the second cable is running on the second part there. Okay, so the way that this setup works is that the solar panel first feeds the fridge if it's in charge. If it's on, then it feeds the fridge, and any extra energy goes to the second battery. So you will see this is equipped with a 12-volt fridge here. There you go. And so the solar panel will feed this first, and then the second battery second. Now you can see how it's getting inside. So here the cable is running through this, and then on the side here up to this part, and the charge controller is right here. There you go. So that's how it's set up. I will also put the name in the description of this charge controller. But typically, if the second battery was full and the fridge not working well, this charge controller would stop the solar panel from working. So I reckon this might be enough to work for the summer. The idea is that now there are 3 sources of energy for the fridge: the solar panel indirect, the second battery here, and if we are driving also, because it's charging the second battery. Just FYI, this also has a ventilation, so that's why also this might be useful. It's a ventilation system which works with the fuel, but also takes some electricity for the ventilation. So yeah, that's how it goes. So we are in Spain, Barcelona. I have done nothing. It's my garage called Campercar who's done it. Full price for this installation was a little bit below 1,000 euros. It's not particularly cheap, but yeah, they are specialists in this vehicle. So there you go. Next step would be to put a lithium battery, very possibly, on the left here again. They are of the same size, but bit by bit. I hope that helps, and feel free to, if you have any questions, to put it in the comments.